In this video, you will learn how to convert image to PDF file. So if you want to convert photos to PDF file on iPhone or Android, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechRepro. And without any further delay, let's learn how to convert images to PDF. In order to convert any image to PDF file, we will be using Google Docs. Google Docs because it is completely free app by Google and it is available on Android as well as iPhone. So you have to simply go to your respective app store like App Store on iPhone and Google Play Store on Android. And after that, simply search for Google Docs and the Google Doc app will appear and you have to simply download and install the Google Docs app, which is completely free. And once the app has been downloaded, you have to just open the app, and after that we will create a new document. Simply tap on the plus sign in the bottom right corner and then tap on new document to create a new document. Here we will rename it like convert photo to PDF and then tap on create. And by the way, you may rename it anything according to your preference. I have just renamed it like this so that it is easy to remember for me. And after that, tap on create and the new document has been created. Next, we will add the image that we want to convert to PDF. For that, we will tap on the plus sign here in the top right corner and then select image from these insert options. So tap on image and then select the option that is from photos and choose the photo that you want to convert to PDF. Here I have selected this one, and if I want, I may add other photos as well so that the multiple photos will be converted to PDF. After that, tap done and those images will be inserted here inside this Google Doc. And if I show you here, I have added two photos here and both photos are inserted inside this Google Doc document. Next, I can select any photo and make further changes from these options, or if everything is right, I can simply proceed to convert this document into PDF file. For that, I'll simply tap on this three dot icon in the top right corner and then I'll get these options. And from here, you need to select share and export, and then you will get these options from where you have to select print and it will start preparing for the print. But we don't have to print. Instead, we have to save this as PDF, and you can see a preview of the PDF file. And here simply tap on the share icon and then you will notice here it shows PDF document and also shows the size of the PDF file. Next, we have to just save this to files. So we will select this option, save to files, and the file will be ready to be saved. Here I can rename if I want and then tap on save and the file will be converted to PDF. So this way you may convert any photo to PDF or JPEG image to PDF file on iPhone or Android, and this is completely free. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to convert JPEG to PDF on iPhone, make sure to tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off and I'll see you in the next video.